Hello, today we will do class ninth Maths chapter 3 coordinate geometry. Now, today we will start the coordinate geometry. The first we have discussed about introduction part. Okay, so let us discuss about introduction part. We have already studied how to locate point on a number line. So we have already studied in class 6, 7, 8, ninth. Okay, ninth first chapter how to locate a number on a number line. So here is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And this is minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. So left hand side, this is right hand side is a positive and then the left hand side is negative from the fixed point that is 0. Okay. So we have already studied how to locate a point on a number line. So we also know how to describe the position of a point on the line. So how where is 2? So 2, so it is 2 unit from the fixed point 0. Okay, so from 0 it is a unit distance, from 1 it is unit distance, from 2 it is unit distance, from 3 it is unit distance, and this is also minus 1 is also unit distance from 0. 0 is a fixed point, minus 1 is also, so here, sorry, here is a 2, here is 3, and here is 4. Okay, so there are many other situations in which you find the position of a point to describe its position with the reference of more than one lines. Okay, so we will take lots of example. I will show you the lots of example from which you can find the position of an point, position of a point. So let's just, I took the example of the first one. So the first example is that, so in class 8th, there is a student name is Rohit. So Rohit is not good in mathematics. Then his teacher decided to meet his parents. Okay, so he asked Rohit, where is your home? Huh? I need to go to your home and discuss about your mathematics to your parents. Okay, so then he or she will go to the admission counter and where the register has put it and take a address of Rohit. Okay, so the where the address has put it, the address has, what is the address? Address is, so address is house number 3, house number 3, okay, and gully number 2, gully number 2. Okay, so there is a 4 gullies, Rajnagar, Rajnagar, in the locality Rajnagar. In Rajnagar locality there is a 4 gullies. So gully number 1, gully number 1, gully number 2, gully number 3, and gully number 4, gully number 4. Okay, so now house number 3, gully number 2. Okay, so this is gully number 2, gully number 3, and gully number 4, and each gullies has a 4 houses: house number 1, house number 2, house number 3, and house number 4. House number 1, house number 2, house number 3, and house number 4. House number 1, house number 2, house number 3, house number 4. House number 1, house number 2, house number 3, and house number 4. Okay, so where the Rohit's house, so house number 3 and gully number 2. So this is gully number 2 and house number 3. It means this is the house of Rohit. Okay, this is the house of Rohit. If we have not given house number or gully number, so the teacher roaming here and there, he couldn't reach the exact position. It means to know the position of an object or a number, we have to know their proper information, just like this is the column and this is the row. Okay, so what can you observe that here is to reach the position there is a two things we needed. Two things, that is the row and column, and row, or a row or a column. Okay, let us take a second example. The second example I take here, the second example is I took a paper of sheet of a paper. I took paper sheet. I took a paper sheet and here is put up dot. That dot is P. Okay, that dot is P. So I need to know where is the position of the dot. Okay, where is the position of a dot? So if we have a piece of paper, put a dot on a sheet of paper. When we tell about position of a dot, first we said it is near to the left first. So where is this? It is a near left edge of a sheet. Okay, it is near upper upper side of a upper side of a upper half of the paper. Upper half of the paper, what we have said, the first we have said that it is first it is near to left edge left edge of paper sheet paper sheet. Okay, now the second what you will say that it is upper half of the paper. It is upper half of the paper. Upper half of the paper. It is upper half of the paper. Now the third one, what you can say that it is near left hand upper corner. It is near left hand upper corner. It is very near left hand upper corner. It is very near left hand upper corner. Okay, now precisely these are the these three are give a improper information. Only the one information has, it is a left edge. It is from the left edge this side, from the upper side. Okay, upper half of the paper, and now it is corner left of. Okay, these are the up, these are improper information. If it is a very near left upper corner, it means it may be here, it may be here, it may be here. Okay, now it is upper half of the paper, it means it is here, it is here, it is a upper half of the paper, it means. Okay, so upper half is anywhere from the P, anywhere above the P. Okay, it is near to the left of the edge, it means it is near left of the edge. It means it may be the point, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. It means these three gives a incomplete information about the P point. Okay, so let us precisely what we can say that, if we can say that the point P, uh, point, which means dot P positioned positioned at 3 centimeter from left edge left edge and 7 centimeter from bottom bottom line this is 3 centimeter and this is 7 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So this gives a proper information about where dot P locate on a paper sheet, it means it is left side 3 centimeter and from the uh, bottom it is 7 centimeter. So what is the point of this one? This is a 3 and this is 7. Okay, so from the horizontal line 3 and the vertical line is 7. So what you can observe from these two examples. Okay, we observed that the position of any object lying in a plane, this is a plane. Okay, so any object lying on a plane can be represented with the help of two perpendicular lines, can be find by the two perpendicular lines, just like we use, has this is a row and this is column. So it is okay. Now this is row and this is column. So any point on a plane can be found through the two perpendicular lines. This simple idea has been given to very important branch of mathematics. These idea, it means there is a perpendicular lines in a plane give us the position of an any object. Okay, we have observed here. So it gives the mm, it gives the idea of very important branch of mathematics, that is coordinate geometry. Okay, so we have studied in this chapter, that is a coordinate geometry. So what we have find a position of an object or a number. Okay, so in this class we have introduced basic concept of coordinate geometry. Okay, and the higher classes we will resume it and know about the coordinate geometry precisely. So this study was initially developed by French philosopher. It is this branch of mathematics, that is a coordinate geometry. This is a coordinate geometry coordinate geometry is no in this coordinate geometry we know we studied the position of an any number of or a object through the two perpendicular lines. Okay, so this study is initially developed by French philosopher. It is initially french philosopher french philosopher French philosopher and mathematician Rene Descartes. Rene Descartes. Rene Descartes, French philosopher and mathematician Rene Descartes. So Rene Descartes is a French mathematician of 17th century. He is a 17th century to lie in a bed and think one day problem of discussion the position of a point in a plane. He was a developed of the older idea of longitude and latitude and longitude. In honor of Descartes, um, it it is given by the French philosopher and mathematician Rene Descartes. Okay, in the 17th century, or for the honor of Rene Descartes. Okay, Descartes, the system used to describe describing the position describing the position of a point in a plane of a point in a plane is also known as the Cartesian system. The Cartesian system. Okay, the Cartesian system. So the Cartesian system. It is also called the Cartesian system. The whole where we study the in a plane and to know the position of a number or for object. This system is called the Cartesian system to give honor to the Rene Descartes. Okay, so this is the introduction part. Uh, this introduction part we know that how we get the position of an object and where we have reached to the Cartesian system. Okay, this is the introduction part. In the next video, we will discuss about what is Cartesian system. Okay, any query, okay, any query you will comment in a comment box. Okay, and please like, subscribe my video. Thank you.